Is anybody there? Probably not, because I didn't give you any idea that I was coming on right now. I'm just popping on because I got a box in the mail and I wanted to open it with anybody who happens to be here. I got a box in the mail from PAC, Paradigm Accelerated Curriculum, and this is their world history course that I've received in the mail, and I thought it would be fun to unbox it together. So it just comes in a standard box like this. And I did slightly start the scissor to make it easier to open, but I didn't do the whole thing. Okay, so here in the box we have this, and everything's always backwards on Facebook Lives. Why is that? Instructions for completing this course, what to do when students fail quizzes. That's always good to know. So, a little bit of introductory material there. And then we have, this is the Teacher's Resource Kit. That's what TRK stands for. The Teacher's Resource Kit. People, Places, and Events of World History. You can use the coupon code above to redeem your free Teacher's Resource Kit digital download. That's nice. So let's find out what's in the Teacher's Resource Kit. The neat thing about this is that I'm going to be actually writing a review about it here within the next couple of weeks. So I want you to, if you're interested in this, to stay tuned to the blog because there will be a review coming and it will probably include this video. Okay, so this is all loose leaf, but look, it's got the, can you see? There, it's got the holes in it, so that's nice. And this is basically the answer keys that are going to be needed for the curriculum. Yeah, good stuff. Black line masters, activity answer keys, quizzes, tests, quiz answer keys, test answer keys. Yeah. Okay. And then the neat thing about Paradigm Accelerated Curriculum is it's a workbook kind of curriculum. Now, this is high school. It's a workbook curriculum. You work from, you finish one, and then you go to the next one. And that makes it really very doable and also very great for the kid to do on their own. So if you're looking for a way to do history that's easy, that doesn't involve a whole lot of preparation on anybody's part. The phone just fell down. There we go. I'm back. Hello? Okay, it's saying rotate your device, but I don't want to rotate it. I want it this way. So they all fell down. But here is an example. Here's chapter 2, text. And what the kid does is you read, they read. They read the sections. This one is timeline 1200 BC to 1200 AD. And we're talking about government. There's a section for vocabulary. Yeah, they're black and white, but this is high school. I think kids can handle black and white in high school. And you read. There's always a life principle. I like that. And there are also activity books. Pretty sure, let's see, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the texts. And then chapter 1, activity. This is where they have worksheets to fill in based on the reading. And so, yes, this is not going to be, you know, reading 500 books of literature and writing essays. And this is just, let's get through world history in a non-complicated way. And let's just make it simple for everybody. And so there's a lot to be said for that. We don't have to do all the things. we can make it simple and still get the job done. So that's what PAC is all about. We've done their economics and their world geography, so now we get a chance to do their world history. And again, there will be a review, a full review, now that I've got it out and I can look at it and we can try some of it. There will be a full review on the blog. I want to say second week of April, so soon. All right, so stay tuned. Thanks for being here.